Greetings, folks. It's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I'm here to talk to you guys about furnaces. What is a furnace? A furnace is a hot air distribution system. Okay, so generally they'll have a plenum off the top. It connects into your HVAC ductwork, which is metal ducting that generally will run up through the attic space or through the floor. The heat is dispersed through air registers on the walls, ceilings, or floors. So that is a furnace. Furnaces come in many different fuels. So you can do wood, coal, oil, pellet, biomass, gas, and electric. Regardless, it's a furnace, it's blowing hot air. They all pretty much work the same way. Of course, installation and clearances will vary from product to product. So what has changed with regulations on wood in particular? So wood regulations on furnaces did change in May of 2017. So a lot of people have come to me asking me, saying, hey, I've noticed a lot of products have dropped off the market. Why is this? So for example, Napoleon, their HMF series hybrid furnaces are no longer being sold in the United States because any of that product manufactured after May was no longer EPA certified. Now, this is not because the product no longer meets EPA certifications. It's literally because the certification expired. It's about $100,000 per model to keep up with that testing. When you have multiple furnaces in a line, that gets very expensive. Keep in mind, the Napoleon line is still sold in Canada. So if you're watching from Canada, please contact me. I'd be more than happy to help you guys out with the Napoleon HVAC line. So let's dive into this a little bit deeper. So again, it's mostly regulated on wood. Coal furnaces are technically EPA exempt. Prior to this, we had what were called multi-fuel units. They were rated to burn wood and coal. Many people would burn a combination. Why? Coal burns a lot longer and it burns hotter. So you get longer, hotter fires, which increase more BTUs and more heat output. These furnaces can no longer be sold that way. It's either a wood unit, which is EPA tested and approved, or it's a coal unit, which is EPA exempt. Keep in mind, the units that are coal units are generally going to run quite a bit cheaper than an EPA approved unit because of the testing cost. So, just things to keep in mind, regulations that have changed slightly. Also, your local county regulations and building requirements are always going to override these general regulations, so please always be sure to check with your local clean air and building department to make sure that you do not have any regulations on a local level that override these national regulations that I'm discussing. So I hope that you guys find this video helpful on describing what furnaces are, what the difference is between the different fuel types and EPA regulations. If you guys do have any questions, please reach out. We're always available to answer any questions or concerns you have. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.